Hello everyone, Outdoors and Botanical here, and today I'm going to be unboxing some new species of isopods, so stay tuned. Alright, let's get started. So here's the box. I think there's 3 or 4 different species in here, I can't remember. But let's try not to shake them around too much. We'll get this box open, and I'll show you up close what they look like. Alright, so we got an insulated box. Okay. So here's the first species. This is Sevilla. Alright. They look a bit like Hoffmannsegii. They're both in the Porcellio family, so they will look similar. Let's see. See if we can find them. Alright. There's one of them. They look a lot like Hoffmannsegii, but a lot smaller. So, that's those guys. Right, now let's see what else is in here. Now we got Porcellio hassii, or Hassie yellow. These guys are pretty cool. It's a really nice species. I'm going to try to get it open so I can show you better. Alright. There they are. They get a lot bigger. These are babies. So, yeah. That's them. I'll get a better clip of them at the end of this video. And the last species, Armadillidium werneri. So these are a bit like Armadillidium klugii. They're very colorful. They're really nice species. So, I'm going to try to get one to show you. So there's a few of them there. They're really nice. Alright. Let me get their things set up and I'll get them in containers to show you what they look like. Like a better view of what they look like. So stay tuned. Alright, here's the Armadillidium werneri. These look really nice too. Some of these have brood pouches also, so that'll give a good start to the culture. And these guys are going in here. I haven't put ventilation in the bins yet, but I'm going to do that later on when I learn more about the species. So I'll do that later today. So let's do the next species. Alright, so here's the Porcellio Sevilla. See, there's 13 of them. These aren't full grown either, they will get a bit bigger. These are really nice. A lot of them even have brood pouches on them, so that's awesome. So they're going in here. Alright, now let's move on to the next one. Alright, and here's the Porcelio Half-C. High yellow. These are really colorful. And these are babies too. They're gonna get big. We'll get almost an inch long, I think. So that's awesome. So now, they're also very fast, as you can see. And then they're gone. They're very quick. So these are going in here. And that's that. Now I'll moisten everything and get everything proper for them, put correct ventilation, everything. And they'll be good to go. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And as always, stay outdoors, be botanical, keep your hobbies, and I'll see you in the next video.